I'm Matthew Bailey. I'm a solicitor and partner with Churches. I work in our dispute resolution department here at our Fareham office. I've got colleagues working in other offices as well, notably in our Portsmouth office and also on the island at our Ryde office. I thought I'd talk to you today about the benefits of seeking early legal advice with regard to a dispute or issue that you might have. I appreciate that many people would be reluctant to involve a solicitor at an early stage because this is tantamount to accepting that the matter has now escalated. There are huge benefits in approaching a firm of solicitors at an early stage with regard to your dispute. I appreciate that for many people this might be tantamount to accepting that the matter is now beyond them, but that's not necessarily the case. We'll be able to advise you with regard to the strength of your position and your legal rights, as well as the rights that your opponent might enjoy. This might help shape the approach that you will adopt in connection with your dispute. We'll also discuss with you what success looks like so far as you're concerned. Most people want to resolve the dispute at an early juncture, and we can suggest a strategy that you could follow which will improve your position and hopefully enable you to conclude matters on terms acceptable to you. We will also be able to help you understand the risks that you face if the matter were to escalate. By the same token, sometimes clients will refer to a number of issues that they might have with their opponent, some of which are very significant and others are relatively minor. Too often a client will clutter their claim with the minor issues which become sideshows and can distract from the central issues that need to be addressed. So coming to see a solicitor early is very much in your interests. You still have control over the matter. It may be that the solicitor's involvement is limited just to that initial consultation, but hopefully it will give you clarity with regard to the position that you find yourself in and how best to resolve matters. We at Churches would be delighted to provide that assistance to you and, where appropriate, to then act for you in connection with your dispute to bring the matter to a conclusion on terms that are good for you. If that is not possible, then we will be happy to assist you through the legal process, which ultimately would include going to a tribunal or to a court, although that course of action can be expensive, and so understandably most solicitors are anxious to try and explore an early resolution so that the matter doesn't escalate too far. We have a fantastic team of litigation lawyers in Churches at the various offices that I've already mentioned. We'll be delighted to help you with regard to your particular matter. I can be contacted at our Fareham office. The telephone number here is 01329 822 333.